is still podcasting a good choice for local businesses to get discovered? Is people are using podcasting as a search engine, like they're using Google and they're using YouTube? What is your 2 cents on that?
Yeah, you got to localize it then. If you're a local business, localize it. So how do you SEO your podcast is the same as you SEO your blog post. Matter of fact, one of the things we do is when you create a podcast, you have a blog post as well. You have your social media content. You have, we even do little snippets of your audio and put it on so it looks like a square meme, but then it has a waveform on it. So it's considered a video. And making sure you have calls to action on everything. What are your promotions? Um, it's a great media for people who don't want to be on camera. You don't have to have the lights on. You don't have to brush your teeth or comb your hair. You just need to have great content. You have to be entertaining and engaging. If you look at 20, 30 years, I've been listening to AM radio. My dad got me started on it. I don't listen to as much anymore because of podcasting. But on Saturdays, what would it be? The local business, the local realtor has their TV or their radio show, and then you have the dentist that has a radio show, or you have the chiropractor who has their health show. And so, once you have a podcast, it's like once you have a book. Who else in your neighborhood is even going to dare to do that? They aren't. So all of a sudden, you become the expert. So if you have a podcast, even if 10 people listen to it, I'm just being facetious here, 10 people listen to it, but you're on episode 55, you're on episode 100, and you let people know that, there's no one else who's doing what you do. So automatically you become known as the expert, because if you're putting out content, you are a content creator from your expertise. No one's going to have a podcast, supposedly, if they don't have any knowledge. So it's just like if you're a realtor and you have a book, you give people your book on how to make sell your house in the shortest amount of time for the most money. No one else is doing that. You automatically become the expert. You become the authority in the field because you're the one creating the media, creating the videos, creating the blog and the podcast and everything. And when people see you doing that, they want to hire the best. They want to work with the individuals who have got their back because they have the experience instead of the new person who is going to experiment with them.